Hello everyone. Today I'll be walking you through how to create an engaging professional looking explainer video in a fraction of a second using a brief prompt. We'll be doing that with CreateStudio. It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or not. This AI tool is useful for both those that are into education, those that are into marketing, business owners. It makes video creation very, very simple. And I came to realize that this particular AI feature is more likely to work for promotional videos when you want to promote a product or you want to promote your services. So let's dive in. At the extreme right of the dashboard, you will see AI explainer video builder. You click on it and you'll be asked whether you want to create a promotional video or an educational video. If it's a promotional video, you click on it and you choose your language, then you enter the product name or your business name. If it's educational, same process, you enter your channel name. So let's do that now. Okay, let's start creating our video. First of all, we will have to enter our prompt or the description of what we want the AI video explainer to build for us. By the way, we have also added the name. It's just a name I formed. It does not exist. So we've just added the name and let's put in the final prompt. After that, we'll just click on next and we'll have to select the character we want to explain this video. So we'll choose this one. Here is where we choose the music. Let's choose corporate. There are many types of music you will have to choose. Then we'll choose the voiceover. You can preview the voiceover you want to choose, after which you can click on next. Let's relax and wait for the video to be generated. Our video is ready. You can go through the script, and if there is any correction you want to make, you can make it here. So when you're done looking at what you have done, you can click on generate and it will start generating your video. So let's sit down and watch why it generates. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's take a look at it.
Welcome to Finance Plane, your personal finance partner, empowering Australians to thrive. Simplifying your financial journey, expert advice at your fingertips, tailored solutions for every need. Unlock your financial potential. Achieve your goals with ease. Join our community today. Ready to take control? Visit us at financeplane.com. Let's start your journey together.
Okay, that's it friends for today's video. Please do subscribe. I'll be sharing videos and tips on how to create professional engaging videos for your social media accounts, how to use Canva, Camtasia and other video editing apps. Please do subscribe. Thank you. Till next time.